right here on EMI's headquarter building, a glorious mission field here in Colorado Springs. And the solar project we're doing this week is going to help offset a lot of their utility spend, a lot of the money they would spend on their electricity bill. The impact's going to be felt far beyond this building because the resources that EMI will save from this project will help them impact more lives through their engineering expertise in the name of Jesus.
EMI, it's a group of engineers, architects, surveyors, construction managers, and pretty much our desire is to design structures while developing and discipling young professionals. We end up going on site to a lot of these ministries and we do master planning, electrical assessments, WASH programs, which is wastewater sanitation, or we want to make sure that we can help them utilize those funds that the Lord's blessed them with, and whatever building or design thing that they need is going to work for their part of the world and their ministry, and make sure it's sustainable as well. The project that SonLight is doing for EMI, it's a great project for us because first and foremost, finances, it definitely helps out. We're sending thousands of dollars each month just in utility bills. And so if we're able to reduce that cost, we can utilize the finances that God has provided us and be able to use that in other areas.
So this project with EMI started a couple of years ago in collaboration with some other partners. They reached out and wanted to see how SonLight could help them with offsetting their power needs. We started designing the system, implemented some of the newest technology on the market with bifacial modules, came up with a design of somewhere around 96 panels on the roof. That was about 50 kW of power, 50,000 watts. And that system was just installed today. And out of that system, we actually were able to get about 92 panels on the roof. System utilized Fronius inverters. They're three-phase inverters because it's a three-phase building. And that system utilized Iron Ridge racking. It used a system called the BX system.
We use a lot of Iron Ridge equipment in our projects. Iron Ridge has a reliable solar mounting line of business. We use their ballasted system on this project here at EMI.
We have an annual budget to support charitable organizations that are installing solar for a wide variety of regions and purposes, for organizations that can now levelize their cost of energy and save money, and that it will greatly enhance their ability to operate and give more back to the people that they're helping.
Another cool thing about this project is that it brings so many people together from all backgrounds and all geographies. So we have volunteers this week from Indiana, Colorado, New Jersey, Ohio, coming into this solar project to make an impact.
One of the reasons I was excited at having a couple recent St. X grads on the trip is the mission of SonLight to serve others really fits really well with St. X Men for Others, and just apply what they've learned through their 4 years at St. X. It's been pretty awesome.
Well, Mr. Sorensen invited me on this trip. It's pretty exciting. I was a little nervous to accept it, but I thought it'd be a new experience, something fun to do. The company that we're doing it for affects a lot of people outside the U.S., and I think that's pretty cool.
I'm excited to make an impact in the world and help other people. And I've never been on a roof before, so that's really exciting.
We're in this together. We're all a big team. We want to bring the gospel to people in all the different ways we possibly can. So helping EMI as they are globally reaching and helping other ministries kind of build infrastructure that helps those ministries do their work of social justice, evangelism, and telling folks about Jesus. It's just been fantastic to be on a team from all over the country, and it was great.
EMI serves people around the globe, and the resources that they're going to save through this project will help them impact even more lives overseas and around the world. There's no greater opportunity than to work and serve on a SonLight Power project in places like here in Colorado Springs, in Honduras, Mexico, and other places where we serve, to bring the light of the sun, S-U-N, to share the light of the sun, S-O-N, the love of Jesus, with those that we're in contact with.